in the financial world, where I see self-insurance more often is in the idea of canceling life insurance, which is an interesting one for the financial industry to focus on for a lot of reasons. But if you think about all of the insurances you can pay for or all the insurances you can buy, which one is insuring against an event that is guaranteed to happen?
Literally, life insurance is the only one.
The only one. And so it doesn't, to me, that makes me question the industry, right? Here's the black sheep in the industry, right? The contrarian in me, where I'm like, well, why are they telling people to cancel the one that's actually going to pay for sure? As I've learned and studied and thought about and really, pondered it in my own mind, I've come to some clarity on it. Why do life insurance companies encourage people to cancel their life insurance? Because they do. They do encourage them to cancel it, which is kind of surprising to some people. They're like, well, no, they want us to pay for life insurance for our entire lives. They actually don't. They want you to stop before you die.
Yeah, makes sense.
Right? And
makes a lot of sense.
And so the type of insurance that they promote the most is term life insurance. It's by far the most popular type of life insurance.
And when you say encourage them to stop it before they die, you mean by selling them something that will expire before
That's
they
right.
die, right?
Or that gets so outrageously expensive
Got it.
that they want to drop it, right? I mean, there's pretty motivating to drop the term life insurance when it goes from $60 to $400
right
a month.
Right.
And so that's what will happen. People get squeezed out of the policy because it becomes so expensive. But then you have to think, well, how come investment firms encourage term life insurance? Because they do. It's almost unanimously, they're in favor of term life insurance and they want you to cancel it. Again, why do they care if a person cancels their term life insurance or not? I mean, why are they even involved? It seems like they're not part of the family, But the reality is they both benefit financially. So the life insurance company is more obvious, right? They don't have to pay the death benefit if the person cancels the policy. And then the money managers, the brokerages, they benefit because when the person cancels their life insurance, what becomes their new insurance? Their retirement accounts, their assets.
Yeah.
That becomes their insurance. So they know the human nature, like you're not going to purposely leave your wife with nothing.
Right.
So you're going to try and preserve that, which is
again,
in their favor.
Keep it in there as long as possible.
That's right. Yep.
That's so interesting when you fully zoom out and really see what's going on. It's like,